Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're all well. This is me, I'm Saila. I am the person behind the camera. Some of you will know me through other social media platforms, but some of you will not know me. So I hope you enjoy this Ramadan vlog that I have planned. Ramadan Mubarak to you all. I hope you have a blessed month and a really peaceful month. So my aim is to show you as much as I can in terms of recipes, in terms of my daily life in Ramadan, and yeah, inshallah, let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for those that have subscribed. If you're new, please subscribe, press that red button down there, and inshallah I will show you any recipes that you want. I'm not going to bore you to death. I am just going to get on with it now. It's the first day of Ramadan. I hope it's going well for you. It's going really good for myself at the moment. So let's crack on. So it's 2:55 in the morning. I am super sleepy, so my husband's going to be talking now.
I'm going to start off with homemade ghee, which we made just before Rosé. The link will be below in the description if you want to know how to make it. Straight into the pan, a little bit of ghee or onion डाल के थोड़ा सा उसको सोते कर लेंगे, और then keep watching. It's very easy to make. और क्या बाजू करना?
So after cooking the onion for a few minutes, we're now going to add the tomato which we blended. Then also adding the masala, really less masala. So we've got like you said, cumin and coriander powder, red chili flakes, and the salt. So he's done 4 holes to place the eggs in. So he's just now cracking them and placing them in the holes, and heat it on low because we just want them to cook really nicely. And we're going to then add the lid on, and yeah.
Right, हमारी डिश तैयार हो गई है. आज मैं धोखे में मारा गया हूँ. था पराठा मिलेगा पर ब्रेड पे गुजारा करना पड़ेगा. Well, you know how it goes every Ramadan. I thought I'm gonna get paratha, but you know, she came down and started making bread. So I thought, what's going on? Anyways, guys, let's look at this. Wow, it's coming out nice. Another, I think, 4 or 5 minutes, और ये पक जाएगा, और फिर इंशाल्लाह हम इसको ऊपर धनिया डाल के इसको हम सर्व कर लेंगे. Do let us know what did you have for your first of sehri, and for iftari, inshallah we will be showing something. Please don't forget those people who, especially this year, you know, might not be able to eat enough due to the current situation around the world. So must have given lots of charities, but please, if you can, do extra charity this year, because we need to look after all those people, unfortunate people who are not in a good condition at the moment.
Yeah. Yum, let's dig in. So just cleaned up, said it's done, alhamdulillah, and I'm just going to be reading my Quran now. So these guys woke up at 7:15 today, like always. They've eaten, they've changed, and I didn't sleep after Sehri today. This is a plan. I'm not going to sleep after Sehri. I'm going to do as much reading as I can, inshallah. Just have to see how it goes, really. But alhamdulillah, I'm feeling great. So now I'm just going to let them play, and I'll let you know what we do next. So it's snack time for the kiddies. They're having some fruit, because if I don't give them at this time, then they end up having crisp, and they've been recently having so many. Anyhow, just cutting them up for them, and then I am going to be reading in peace. Hopefully they won't disturb me. By the way, these plates are from Amazon, and if you want to purchase them, The link will be in the description below, so do check that out. So guys, so I've decided to make some meat pilau today. The recipe for this is in the description below. There's a link that you can click, and what I will be showing you though is a lot of people do ask me about what method I use to see how much water I need and so on. That is something that I'll share today, so keep tuned and let's go. So the boys are going to be having for lunch chicken chow mein. If you want the recipe, the link is in the description below, so do check that out please, and I'll see you in a bit. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's begin. So I'm cooking my meat pilau, and in the meantime I'm also going to be boiling some fresh carrot because I'm going to make some chicken pie, which I've decided to do instead today for iftari for myself. Yes, there we go. So guys, the method that I use to know that the water is right for my rice is I use my finger. I don't use any cups or anything like that. So what I mean by that is I take my finger and the rice has to touch the tip of the finger and the water should be up to the first line. So I'm going to try that now. The water is not hot, so it's fine. And yeah, so the water is up to here and the rice was touching my tip. So inshallah the water should be fine. So I'm going to let this cook now, let the water simmer, reduce, and then I will put it for them inshallah. So there you go, the rice is done. On to the next dish. That's all good guys. So now I'm going to be making the chicken pie. It's about 4 o'clock now and my husband's at work today, so look at me. Well, look at it. So I'm adding oil now. So I'm adding half a kg of boneless chicken and garlic cloves, red chili flakes, black pepper and salt. You can just add as desired really. My thyme is finished, so just adding the last bit that I've got left, and oregano as well. 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. If you want to be healthy, use ghee, and 1 tablespoon of plain flour. So I've taken the gas off for 2 minutes. I'm just going to add double cream in. If you want, you can add single cream as well. 1 cup of milk, and then you can see that vibrant colour. In goes bell peppers and sweet corn. My husband doesn't like mushroom, otherwise I would have put that, but hey ho. So once the mixture becomes thicker, you can tell when you just kind of mix it, you can tell it all coming together. You can see coming together. That's when I will just leave it on for another minute and then take it off. So I'm just going to add the carrots now. Yay, finally another one done. So I don't know about you guys, but I have to clean after every dish. Just one of those weird things that I do. I'm finally having a cuddle with the kiddies. So I've got the ready-made chalk crust pastry. So I'm adding the pie filling, and then I'm going to add the pastry that we just cut on top. So at this stage, do whatever you like, be adventurous. I'm just making little slits here. On goes the pastry. And again, I'm just trying to be a bit of adventurous, like you say. Ooh, don't judge my art skills. Just doing whatever. I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. So I had a bit of pastry left, and I thought I need to use that. So I'm going to make 4 circular shapes to make a rose. It's so simple to do. So all you do is, as shown, so I'm just brushing egg wash everywhere, and then I'm going to add the rose on top. You can also make some petals and do anything you like, really. So just before iftari, I will put this in the oven. Some shami kebabs for the neighbours, and I also made some mash to go with the chicken pie. This is the time when I really panic, is before iftari time, so hurry up, chicken pie.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are well. What's going on, Saila? Sorry we are a bit late, and we are rushing towards the time as I have to go to.
This time the worst.
I had to go to work. It was an emergency call. But inshallah, our Baji across the road, as always, she has sent us some food already. Thank you so much, Baji. Kude aaye hain. Okay. Roll, samosa, salan. Even though we don't eat salan, but you know she's such a nice Baji. Ramadan mein takriban almost har din kuch na kuch dekhi rehti hai. So yes, guys, we are rushing towards iftari. I have to give iftari out for some people.
Yes, so hurry up.
So 7:52, and we've got only 40 minutes left and too much to do.
So see you in a bit.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As normal. Besan, namak, सूखा धनिया साबुत पालक उसके बाद आलू प्याज and green chilies, salt and red chili flakes. That's it. We leave it for 5-10 minutes. The reason being is all these veg, they will leave their own water, and then we'll add more water. Hopefully we'll require less water, and then we will fry them. Oh wow, pakode bade अच्छे बन रहे हैं. Very nice and tasty pakode. Lovely smell. Yes, Saila, is everything okay?
Alhamdulillah, shukr.
Alhamdulillah.
Oh, you just have that little bit of panic mode. I do.
Always panic. Alhamdulillah. Abhi bhi mara time hua hai 8:15.
Yeah.
Still I have 20 minutes. Alhamdulillah. So everything is being done. Pakode ban rahe hain. We are ready. दो घर में जाकर इफ्तारी भी दे हैं तक घर खत्म जनाब. So yes, people, do let us know how did your first roza went. Alhamdulillah, couldn't even tell today.
Even I couldn't tell.
Yeah, even though I had to go to work, लेकिन माशाल्लाह रोजा बहुत अच्छा गुजरा. I hope आगे के भी इसी तरह गुजरेंगे. Just do plenty of dua, just about 5-10 minutes before iftari. Inshallah, Allah Ta'ala make it easy for everyone and cure everybody who are ill. Until then, people, take care of yourselves, give salam to everyone, and Allah Hafiz.
Chalo, mister, I've had enough. Let's go eat Ravi now.
Yes, Begum, जिस तरह आपका हुक्म सर आंखों पे.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you've enjoyed this Ramadan vlog. Inshallah, I will see you on Monday. But if I do a recipe tomorrow, I will be uploading that. So please do press that bell button to be notified of when I upload, and also the subscription. And until next time, Allah Hafiz.